Advanced revenue management, setting advanced revenue management preferences. All right, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas or tabs that you have to go and look at. So I've split them into those 5. I'll make 5 different videos. So, and these are really important, and there's a lot of detail here, so some of these might be a bit longer. Right, so the first one you want to do is the revenue recognition on the general subtab. All right, so let's go look there. All right, so you'll see there's the 5 different sections that I'm splitting it in here. Right, so those 5 are those. And so the first one is the revenue recognition on the general subtab. Right, so let's go set up counting preferences. There is my general subtab, and I'm going to scroll down, and there's the revenue recognition that they're talking about. So you'll see, sorry, if I do that, create revenue recognition journals, there is, so that's what we're looking at. All right, so the first one is create revenue recognition journals in GL. Now the question here is, do you want detailed journals or summary? Now, when I put my CFO hat on, and I'm thinking of reconciliation and maybe troubleshooting, I know summary is going to be a problem for me. So personally, I will never choose summary. I will always go for the detailed, so that you could see all the detailed lines of all these journals, right? Second one, and oops, sorry, and I do have that set to detail. Then default revenue recognition journal date 2. Select the default transaction date of the revenue recognition journal entries when you open the Create Revenue Recognition Journal Entries page. All right, so okay, so the reason I couldn't find that transaction here, create revenue recognition, is noted here. This topic applies to the revenue recognition feature. Revenue recognition is the key feature of NetSuite Classic, right? Classic revenue recognition feature are not available in new implementations. Classic revenue recognition, also called revenue recognition, is still support for customers who previously enabled it. So when I go and search for this page, I can see it, and here it is, but you can't actually see it in your menu, all right? Because it's not really used anymore. It's old. Okay, so let's go back here for a moment. So that was this one here. And now the last one, use system percentage of completion for schedules. This preference is available with the advanced revenue management feature only when one or more of the following features are also enabled. Project management, this is the important one, revenue recognition or amortization. Advanced revenue management ignores this preference except when you use a project revenue rule, right? So it's really a project related, this percentage of completion. Project completion is calculated automatically based on the approved time logged, so hours logged on your timesheets versus what your estimate was going to be. If you are using project revenue rules, check this box to calculate project completion automatically based on approved time log against the project. Clear this box if you always want to enter cumulative percentage complete values into percent complete override subtab on the project record. To bypass automatic calculation, enter values for period and cumulative percentage complete in the percent complete override subtab on a financial subtab of the project. For more information, see percentage complete. All right, so that is revenue recognition on the general subtab.